In our solar system, we know of only one body that has experienced the emergence of life, the Earth. Is the origin of life unique to our planet, or could it occur elsewhere in our solar system or even beyond? To satisfy this never-ending quest for search for life in space, the European Space Agency launched the JUICE mission in April 2023. Yes, you heard it right, but it is not that JUICE. JUICE stands for Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. So it's a spacecraft. What is the JUICE mission? Why is this mission important? And few interesting facts about our solar system, Jupiter and different space agencies of the world. Welcome to Pathanti Gyan Ka Microdose. This spacecraft is designed to study the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, and its icy moons. The mission is a project of the European Space Agency with some support from the American Space Agency NASA and the Japanese Space Agency JAXA. The JUICE spacecraft was launched on board an Ariane 5 rocket from the spaceport in Kourou in French Guiana on 14th April 2023. It will travel through space for almost 8 years before arriving at Jupiter in July 2031. Once near the Jupiter, the spacecraft will spend at least 3 years studying the planet and its icy moons. JUICE will orbit Jupiter and it will fly by the 3 of its largest moons, Europa, Callisto and Ganymede. Many scientists will use different scientific instruments on board the spacecraft to study the Jovian system and answer some of the biggest questions in planetary science. These instruments will help scientists study the Jovian atmosphere, magnetic field, and the composition and structure of Jupiter's moons. Jovian means related to Jupiter. Microdose. Now the significance of this mission. One of the main goals of the JUICE mission is to search for signs of life on Jupiter's moons Ganymede, Europa and Callisto. It is believed that they have a subsurface ocean of liquid water, which makes them a prime target for astrobiology research. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is the main target of the JUICE mission. Scientists hope to learn more about Ganymede's geology, its magnetic field, and the possibility of a subsurface ocean. JUICE's theme is the emergence of habitable world around gas giants. Now about Jupiter. Do you know that the first 4 planets from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called the inner planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called the outer planets. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Just to put things in perspective, if Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be the size of a basketball. Jupiter is a gas giant, so it does not have an Earth-like surface. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has more than 75 moons. Microdose. Do you know about the top space agencies of the world? NASA, the American Space Agency, ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, ESA, the European Space Agency, JAXA, the Japanese Space Agency, and Roscosmos, the Russian Space Agency. Microdose. That's all about Jupiter, its moons and mission JUICE. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.